Gani meets Rogi. And today, look, Gani already come here to play something. Oh, hey, Gani. Hey, Rogi. I get the aims for you. Eggs. Where? Oh, yes, in behind you have eggs. Let's go. Let's go make the eggs in my kitchen. Okay. We'll put an egg inside. Now we need some really tasty toffee, tomatoes, salad, and some noodle. Ready in the lamp fire. First, we need to put our minyak. Okay, let's put our minyak. Whoop, whoop, whoop. We need some more, a little bit more. Very tasty. Let's go. Nyak. It's done. Okay, let's go take it. The minyaks. Let's go eat it. It's so cold, isn't it? Bye. Bye, Gani. Later, I give you food in tomorrow morning. Okay, bye. Goodbye, Rogi. Bye, Gani. Now. Bye, Rogi. Bye, Gani. Okay, let's go back home too.